this is a Spring Boot microservice web application which allow user to make order online and allow a user to collect the product data information and customer data information and store those data information into H2 database. So in this microserver architecture, we can see in this boundary contain 5 different modules. One is H2 database and 2 client server, product database server, and product order server, and Eureka central server, and API gateway server, which is Zuul Proxy server, and also we create the user interface, allow the use to access this web application online. Now I go ahead to demo the implementation for this application. So first we start the central server, which is Eureka server. We also can demo the how to using the Spring initialize to create the Eureka server. So then we open this central server we just create by using the Spring initialize and import to our this project. Okay, so here is the PAM file contained all the dependency. Is Netflix Eureka server, and this drive file, and we have to enable the Eureka server. We have to give the server default port number and the server name, and we have to make sure this Eureka server is not the Eureka client. I go ahead to start those Eureka client server. One is this is DB data server. One is order server. Other is Proxy server. I want to check to make sure all the server is up. Okay, now it's 3 server is up. I go to and DB database server is major used to collect the customer data information here, and this customer contain ID, customer name, and customer critical number, and the product they order. So this is the product ID, and product class contain product ID, product name, and product price. So we have to give this class server the name and the port number, and we register to the Eureka server, and because we're using H2 as a database, embodied database, so we this DB data server is supply server, provide all the method, allow the consumer server to access database information. We have get one product by ID and get all the product information, and get one customer information by customer ID, and get all the customer information and update the product information and save product and save customer. I demo one is this is to get all the product information. Let me see. Okay, here there's all the product information. Let me see. I try to get all the customer information. Okay, here's all the customer information. I go here to demo that the order server. The order server is consumer order information from the DB server. So we have customer class. We define this class and person information and product information. So for the order controller, we using the REST template and the web client to read the data from the DB data server. So here is the URL from the DB server. By using the REST template, we can read all the data from DB data server. And also, I have to create a user interface, allow the user access this web application online and to read all the product information and save the product information and read the customer order information. Now I go here to demo. Okay, here it show the client or the user, they can save the product online. Okay, here is that we just save this product into the H2 database and we demo. How to search customer information. Okay, here this customer credit card ID, customer name, and how many product the customer have ordered online. So